Calculating toolboard needs for vertical slide-out toolboards. Vertical slide-out toolboards make the best use of deeper compartments. They are designed with PAC's tool mounting pattern on both sides, and when mounted in series can easily multiply your usable storage space many times over. There are two basic scenarios for installation: install as is, or install with additional support frames. When installing as is, vertical slide-out kits come assembled with handle, slides, locking lever, and mounting angles. The other popular installation scenario with support frames, used in most roll-up door compartments, is mounting from the floor to a set of what we call PMF frames, which create a phantom ceiling framework up inside your cabinet at any height that you require for stability and clearance of slide travel obstructions. To size and cost your vertical slide-out toolboards, we will need some dimensions from you. Depth dimension. Making things easier, vertical slide-out toolboards only come in two depths: the standard 24-inch slide or an 18-inch version for shallower compartments. Consideration: the 24-inch slide requires 25.5 inches of depth for installation, and the 18-inch version requires 19.5 inches of depth. Height dimensions. If you have a roll-up door application, please give us your compartment height inside dimension from floor to ceiling, as well as the compartment door opening height. A couple of considerations to note. The targeted finished height of your toolboard will be 1 inch less than the door opening for clearance. And another design note is that the maximum recommended toolboard height is 60 inches tall. Width dimension. For roll-up door applications, which require 2 PMF frames for installation, we will need the inside compartment width as accurately as possible because PMF frames are designed for a snug fit. Here's some design considerations. A PMF frame can span up to 71 3/4 inches wide. However, larger spans will require a heavy-duty PMF frame, which can span between 71 3/4 inches and 121 3/4 inches wide. However, it is strongly recommended that when spanning over 85 3/4 inches in width, you should also get a PMF SP, the support post kit, for the center of the rail. Headroom considerations. One more thing to consider. When installed, the 2 PMF frames will require 7/8 inch of headroom. Heavy-duty PMF frames will require 1 3/4 inches of headroom above the door opening height. And while we're on that subject, if you are mounting several slide-out tool panels in a series and wish to have the ability to unbolt and reposition them without drilling, an option that you might consider would be bolting 2 lengths of mini dual track below the panels, which would allow the vertical panels to be repositioned freely. If you choose this option, you would need to subtract an additional 7/8 inches from the height dimension of your vertical slide-out tool panels. That's it. Depth, height, and width. If you need sizes outside of those recommended, please call a PAC representative for special design considerations. We would be glad to help. View our other videos online for additional tips and information.